A variable is the name of a reserved area allocated in memory. In other words, it is a name of the memory location. It is a combination of vari plus able, which means its value can be changed. Types of variables. There are three types of variables in Java. 1. Local variable. 2. Instance variable. 3. Static variable. A variable declared inside the body of the method is called local variable. You can use this variable only within that method. And the other methods in the class aren't even aware that the variable exists. A local variable cannot be defined with static keyword. A variable declared inside the class but outside the body of the method is called an instance variable. It is not declared as static. It is called an instance variable because its value is instance-specific and is not shared among instances. A variable that is declared as static is called a static variable. It cannot be local. You can create a single copy of the static variable and share it among all the instances of the class. Memory allocation for static variables happens only once when the class is loaded in the memory. Public class is static int m equals 100, static variable. Void method int n equals 90, local variable public static void main string args. Int data equals 50, instance variable o end of class.